Good morning. Today we'll discuss one of the visualization technique, the chart. Here we'll discuss chart as well as the types of chart. In this presentation, we'll discuss the chart types, scatter chart as well as line chart. Charts are visual methods of displaying data. Most commonly used charts to display and analyze data, including scatter chart, line charts, and bar charts. Microsoft Excel is the most commonly used software package for creating simple chart. First, we will see the scatter chart. It is a graphical presentation of the relationship between two quantitative variables. Here, one sample data is given. There you have three columns like week, number of commercials, and sales. For 10 weeks, what is the commercial? What is the sales range? So, all these details, how can we display in the form of scatter chart? So, to create the scatter chart, in Microsoft Excel, we have number of steps. So step by step, we will see how to create the scatter chart for this given sample data. See, first step, select cell B2 and C11. So the same data we have taken over here in the Excel sheet, the data is given in the table, it is given in the previous slide. Here we can take B2 and C11 is given B2 and C11. So from here to C11 we have selected the data. Then click Insert tab in the ribbon. So here you can go Insert tab. So Insert, then go here Chart, then go here Scatter. Okay, so here they will ask you to select Insert Scatter. So you have to go all chart types. There you have XY Scatter. Okay. Select this. The subtype will be selected. Then if you give OK, then automatically the scatter chart will be created. This is a scatter chart or layout. In this you have data points. Okay. These data points are scattered in the sheet. So here this is x-axis, this is y-axis, but we don't know the name of the x-axis as well as y-axis. So by creating name for x-axis and y-axis, at the same time we have to give title for this chart also. So we can go to next step. So add chart element in the chart layout. So select this, okay, and go here. Okay, under chart tools there is one option layout. Select this. Here if you come here, chart title is given. So select the chart title. Okay, then come here above chart. It is given above chart. Click above chart. So above chart, then automatically you will get title. So here you can give name for this chart. A, B, C I'm given. So ABC is the title for this layout, chart layout. Next, we need to give name for axis, x-axis as well as y-axis. Okay. For this again, you can go layout, under chart tools, layout, then you can come here, axis title. There you can take horizontal, for example, primary horizontal title axis. If you select over here, there you have title below axis. So select this, okay. Automatically you will get one text box over here. So here you can select like A1, B1 for example. Okay. This is the name for x-axis. The same way, again you can go here layout, axis title, and primary vertical axis, Okay. There you can take vertical title. Okay. So vertical title can be, you can give in this direction or this direction. If you choose this, it will be easy for you. So here will come. The text box will be created over here. If you want, you can change the name. According to our concept, you can change the name. For example, B2, for example. Okay. So the title is given for this layout, as well as the name is given for x-axis as well as y-axis. So the same procedure given here as a stepwise. See, for example, you can take step 7. Click Add Chart Element in the chart layout group. Select axis title and click the primary vertical. Okay. Click on the text box under the horizontal axis and replace the axis title with the number of commercials. So number of commercials they will take. So this is the title, name of the title. So same way for horizontal axis also, primary horizontal also the same procedure you can take. Okay. Now step 9, right click on the one of the horizontal grid lines in the body of the chart. So here, these are all the horizontal grid lines. These are all the horizontal grid lines. So you can select any one of the horizontal line. Okay. Then right click, do right click. If you give remove, delete this, they're asking to click delete. So if you give delete over here, automatically the horizontal grid line will be removed. So same way, when you have any vertical line, so that will also be removed by the same procedures. So this is the final chart. Okay. These are all the data. For this corresponding data, the table is, the chart is created. This is a scatter chart. The line it is given over here, it is another step. This is a trend line. We will see how to create this trend line in the next slide. See here, Excel can be used to add a trend line to the scatter chart. Now scatter chart is created. For this scatter chart, you can add this approximation line. Okay. See, trend line is a line that provides an approximation of the relationship between the variables. Okay. To add a linear trend line using Excel, use the following steps. See, for example, step 1, right click on one of the data point in the scatter chart and select add trend line. See here, we have data points. So you can select this trend line. You can right click, then you can go here, you will get add trend line. If you click over here, automatically it will give you options. So which option you want. Okay. Now if you select this linear options, then you can select here, then you can give close. So automatically the approximation line will be created. This approximation line will help you to check the nearby values. So when the format trend line task line appear, select the linear under trend line options. So next chart is line chart. Line charts are similar to scatter chart, but a line connects the points in the chart. So line charts are very useful for time series data collected over a period of time. So this line chart can be used for time series data. There, the line chart will provide minutes details, hours details, days details, years details, like etc. In addition of lines between the points suggest continuity, and it is easier for the reader to interpret the changes over time. So how to create this line chart, we will see. This is a given sample data. Here you have months details. Here you have sales details. It is a time series data. Why? Because with respect to time, with the time period, they given data. So for January, the sales is 150. For February, the sales is 145. The March, the sales is 185. So with respect to months, they are given data. For this given data, how to create a line chart? You see, using Microsoft Excel. So these are all the steps which is given over here. Simply same way, if you select the cells, you'll be able to create this line chart. See, for example, select cells. See, the same details here also we have taken. See, we can see this right? The same details. Yeah. So the same data we are taken over for line chart also. See here, select cell A2, B3. Okay. A2, B3. A2, you can take this as A, this is the B. Okay. So here A2 means January. Okay. And B13 is the 120. So if you choose like this, all data will be collected. Okay. Then the same way, click the insert line chart button in the chart group. Okay. See, go here, then chart group, then line, then all type. Okay. Here you can see line chart. Okay. There they ask you to click line. Insert line chart button in the chart group. Okay. When the list of line chart subtypes appears, click the line with markers, but under 2D. So here you can take line, there you can take this one automatically, then you can give OK, automatically the line chart will be created. And for this given table data, the line chart is created. The same way, for this layout also, you can give title as well as name for x-axis, y-axis. So x-axis and y-axis. Now you can try again. Say if you select this, go layout. For this layout, you want give chart title. You can select this, automatically chart title will be selected. Okay. Same way you can edit over here. Same way you can select this layout, go here, okay, axis title, okay, primary horizontal, then title above, automatically text box is created over here. You can do editing work over here. So same way for y-axis also here. Okay. Then vertical, there you can choose this one. So here one text box will be created. Here you can do any changes. You can edit the label. So like this, we can follow this procedure. We will be able to create this line chart. Yeah. So this is a line chart. So this is a scatter chart. This is a line chart. For comparison purpose, they are given in the same slide. This is a regional data. This is a line chart of regional sales data. Here we are given two data. If you look at this table, here we have a month and north and south. The sales details in north, sales details in month. Both are given over here. For all, we have taken in a single slide itself. Okay. See, for example, the same procedure if you follow, you need to select all the data. You have to select all the data. Initially, we have selected only these two we have selected, then we got this one. Now we can select all three. By that, you will get two lines. So the lines will be differentiated by giving a strong line and dotted lines. So there the names are also given over here. Okay. So by creating the layout like this, we'll be able to understand this data easily. This is a month wise, the variations is given over here. Thank you.